Hey guys, today we are in BMW F20 1 Series and I'm going to show you how to set wipers into service position. So with the key in my pocket I can just press the start-stop button to turn on the ignition, then turn it back off and grab the right stalk, move it upwards, hold it in this position. After a few seconds your wipers will start to move and will stop in the service position. And right now you can get out from the car and you can bend those wiper arms so you can access wiper blades easily for replacement, or maybe if you want to clean the windscreen, remove some snow or ice. And when you are done, just go back into the vehicle, then turn the ignition back on with a single press and press the right stalk once downwards, and wipers will go back to the service, back to the parked position when you are done. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Give me thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.